Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your business manager account. And basically what it is, business manager is where you gonna hang out here to manage all your business, right? Before Facebook only has available the personal account. Is the one that you normally use for your Facebook personal stuff, but it was all mixed up. So Facebook didn't have a place where the person can differentiate their personal account from their business pages. So they create this business manager. As you can see, it's the same Facebook. You have to go to business.facebook.com. So instead of being the blue like the normal one, this is like a kind of gray. So here is where you're gonna manage all your business stuff. Like you have multiple pages, you can manage them all here. You work with different people, with different ad accounts. You can do all that stuff here. So I'm gonna tell you right now what how it works and why is better that you use this for your business stuff than your personal business account. So first, what you have to do is you have to log in. If you already have a personal account, you just have to log in like you normally do. Just go log in here. Okay. And here we are, guys. You can see I have two business accounts, but I did this one just for test purposes. This is the one that I use. So with that, we're gonna log in here. And this is the main dashboard. Basically, you just see the report here. You can see my different ad accounts, my pages, and different stats, right? And the activity. Also, you can go to activity. Basically, here you can see maybe you're at a new administrator and an employee. You can see what happened here. It's basically just to see the activity. But what you're gonna use is basically here, basic business settings. We're gonna go there. But before I explain this one, I want to show you specifically what is the main difference between the personal ad account and the business manager. So, as you can see, everything starts with Facebook, right? When you create your personal account with Facebook, it comes with one ad account, and in that ad account that you use to create your Facebook ad campaigns, it comes with one pixel code. But with the business manager, you can create multiple ad accounts, and in those ad accounts you can create multiple pixel codes. So if you want to know how to create a pixel code, I'm gonna leave a link down below to one of my video on how to create one. So how this is good for you? Okay, let's say for a random reason, Facebook comes in here and he banned one of your ad account. Okay, you still have another ad account you can use to start promoting your businesses. So instead of, if for some reason, okay, Facebook banned the ad account from your personal account, you won't be able to create more ad campaigns. So you don't have another option that for creating campaigns. So that's the reason why I highly recommend creating a business manager, because first of all, it gives you more control, okay, on your fan pages, your businesses, and the people you're working with. And what I like to do, what I like to do is, as you can see, I have two pages and two ad accounts. I I like to create one ad account for one of my pages. As you can see, in that way I can have more control. I can perfectly just have one ad account, and in that ad account I can have multiple pages. But I don't know, I can do that, but I personally prefer to have this one. I feel it's more like organized, and I can have more control on my stuff. And also I can assign different payment methods. I have a different payment method for this ad account and this ad account. So for as I mentioned before, for some random reason Facebook bans one of your ad accounts, it's like a chain. It will affect your other ad account if you have the same payment method here. So I like to have different payment methods in my ad account. And here in the left section, you can see users, people. Here you just simple click here and maybe you want to add a new member to your team. You just write their email address and send them a request to join to your team. And simple as that, you assign them a role. Maybe it's an employee or maybe he's your partner. Maybe you want to give them an admin access, just like the same power as you have in the business manager. You can select this here and simple as that, you request him to join. And also we have here partners. This is, I think this is, I never used this one before. I think this is for like maybe that you don't want to deal with anything about digital marketing, your Facebook ad campaign, your pixel, all that stuff. Maybe you hire someone else or a marketing agency and you want to give them access to your business manager. This is where you can do that. You give them access to your assets, your Facebook pixels, your fan pages and all the stuff. You do that here. We also have accounts, pages. Here you can add pages. You just click here. You add a page. You request access to a page. Maybe you are helping a friend to design his fan page. You can request him access to it here, or create one from scratch. You can choose the category, local business, and fill out the information here, and simple as that, you create a new fan page, right? It's really simple. And here you can assign roles to the different people to work with. For example, you already request someone else to join to your team. Okay, now you want to choose the page you want him to work in, and you just click here. No, sorry, you just search here for the person's name, the ID, because when you add a person, it automatically the business manager give him an ID, so you can search him by the ID or the name. Simple as that. You just choose that person and you can assign him a role. I just have here myself because I'm the only one using my business manager. I'm not working with anyone else. So, but if you have any other person working with you, you can assign them different roles. Like you can see the different roles here. You can do that here. And yeah, now the next section is the ad accounts. Here you can see I have different ad accounts. I had mentioned before, I have different ad accounts for each of my fan pages. If you want to create one ad account, you can click here, the same as the fan page, request access to another ad account. Maybe you want to have a friend to manage or create their Facebook ads campaign. You need to request the ad account to them or create a new one. So it's important to mention, guys, that if you have a brand new business manager, you're allowed to have just one ad account. In order for you to create another ad account, you need to make the first ad campaign with your ad account and make the first payment. In that way, Facebook gonna give you access to create 4 more accounts. That means you gonna have a total of 5 ad accounts. But actually, you can have more than 5. I think you can have like 1,000 ad accounts, but you need to first earn that privilege to have the many ad accounts, because you need to build trust with Facebook first, and then he's gonna give you access to create more and more and more. Okay, so if you only have one ad account and maybe you click here, you don't gonna have this one available, because you need to make the first payment, and that way you're gonna be able to create another ad account. And the same thing as the fan page, you can assign different roles to your staff to work in the different ad accounts you have created. Now, as you can see, we also have here business assets group. I never used this one before. Apps, you have the option. Okay, you want to work with apps, you can add them here. Instagram accounts, okay, you can add the Instagram account here. I only have this one from my e-commerce stores. um, but you can have them here and manage uh, people to work on your different Instagram accounts. And what else? Pixels, guys, you have the different pixels. As I mentioned, I have one pixel for specifically for one of my fan pages in my ad accounts. You can see this is pixelated for my BG Online Solution fan page and ad account, and this one is for the other one that is Fashion with Pregnancy. Is for my Fashion with Pregnancy ad account and fan page. Okay, you can do that here. You can add one here. It's really simple to follow the steps. I already told you that I have a video on it. I'm gonna leave it in the description below so you can see it if you don't have your pixel code uh, active yet, so you can go and watch that video. But payments, you can set up the payments. I don't know why it says that I don't have payments here, but I do have them within the ad accounts. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I do it there. But I do have my payment set up, but I'm actually gonna show you how it does. So if you want to create an ad with the business manager, you have to go here, business, and then you have to go to ads manager. And here you're gonna see that this is the ad account for Fashion by Pregnancy and BG Online Solution. I don't have a stat here because this is a brand new ad account I created just to test some products, but I haven't done any campaign yet. As you can see, I don't have any data. But if I change from Fashion by Pregnancy to BG Online Solutions ad account, you can see that I have some stat because I was running a lead generation campaign, and as simple as that, you can see the budget, results, all the stuff, impressions, cost per lead, and basically here where you can see the stats and all that information. But how you add a payment method? You can do it within the Facebook Business Manager as I showed you before, or you can do it here. You just click here, tools, and click on billing. Then you just have to go payment settings, and you can choose your payment method of your preference. You can have PayPal, credit or debit card or whatever you want. Okay, simple as that. You set up your payment method, and as simple as that, guys, you create your business manager. Okay, you can add your fan pages, your pixels, your ad accounts, and okay, let's go back to business settings. So this is it, guys. I hope it's been helpful for you. I hope you understand now how to create a business manager is more beneficial for you and your business rather than just create your ad campaigns, your Facebook ads, you manage your fan pages with your personal ad account. Okay, so go ahead, create your Facebook business manager and have more control on your stuff. So I hope this has been helpful. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.